Hello guys and welcome back. It's your boy Hacks for iOS, and yeah, let's show you how to take the restrictions off your phone. So as you can see, we're failing the attempts here, and we're just trying to figure out how to do it, how to get my restrictions password so I can do anything on my phone that I want. So really all you're going to need for this tutorial is Windows computer, your iPhone transfer cable / charger cable, your iPhone obviously, and you're going to want to have about 15-20 minutes on your hand because that's how long it's going to take, probably less, maybe only like 10 minutes. So let's get into the video. See ya. Okay, we're back. So this is going to be the second half of this video, or not really half, this is going to be the majority of this video, just how to turn off the restrictions through the computer. Now that we've already plugged our phone in and we've already plugged into a Mac or a normal computer, it doesn't really matter actually. I said before that you need a Windows computer, but you don't. It can be any computer as long as it can download and run pretty well. So yeah, let's just get into it. First thing you want to look up is iOS 7 hash. It'll be like the first thing that comes up because who else would name anything that? And then iBackupBot. You can just look it up. It'll be the first thing that comes up after a couple ads. And yeah, once you have iBackupBot, the first one right here, this is just a website, not a download. Don't download anything on this one. On here, I download for the Windows or for the Mac. It doesn't matter. Well, it does matter. Just depending on what you have. You can't download the Mac for the Windows. Don't download the Windows for the Mac, obviously. So I download the Windows for my Windows computer. So yeah, the next thing you want to do is you're going to want to open up iTunes. Now, when you plug your phone in, sometimes the iBackupBot doesn't work unless you go here and back up your phone through the computer. So if like when you open up iBackupBot, it's all blank, know that just go to iTunes, press what I just did, press backup now, and done, and you'll be all good to go. That's all you need from the iTunes. Then, once you've downloaded iBackupBot, you should be good to open it up and use it. So iBackupBot here, it will load up, and it'll show all my stuff here, it'll show everything here. From there, what you're going to want to do is you want to go to System Files, Home Domain, Library, and Preferences, and then that's pretty easy. Now here a lot of people used to just scroll through, but really what we can do is com.apple.res, and restrictions will be the only thing that comes up. From there you can just open that up, and it's going to ask you why do you want to purchase it, do you want to purchase it, and you're just going to press cancel, and it will still just show this up. From here you're going to want it will say restrictions, passcode, key, data. Under that data, this is what you're going to use right there, that code. Then I'll show restrictions, password, salt, data, and under there, that's the code you want to use. I've already typed them in because you cannot copy and paste them. As you can see, I'm right clicking. You can't copy and paste those, so you just have to type them in. Now I'll say that you can't put spaces unless yours has spaces, which I'm pretty sure it can't have spaces. Has to be the right capitalizations. Like for instance, this I can't be capitalized, and this O and this X has to be capitalized, or else it will not work. Then what you're going to want to do, you're just going to exit out all of those. It's going to be typed in. You're going to put 0. You're just going to keep the zeros, keep the 9s, and you're going to search for the code. When searching for the code, it's going to be like, it's going to take a while. So you can really just, you can just go and do something. It's not going to take a while, I'd say. It's going to take like maybe 5 minutes to search. If it's at the end of it, it will stop once you get to it. It's not going to go all the way to 99, then say your code's 1. It will stop at the end of the code. So if your code was 1, it would just stop right away. If your code was 5, it would go to 5 and it would stop. So it doesn't really matter depending on what the first number of the code is. If first number is a 9, then it's obviously going to take longer than if the first number is a 4 because it's going to load longer. So let me just give you a little channel description about my new hack channel. This is going to be a channel where I'll be posting kind of like hacks like this, how to figure out like restrictions on your stuff, maybe like Cydia tweaks, maybe things with an iFile that you can use to modify your phone. This is just like an alternative way. I know it's a lot easier maybe to just get iFile, but I personally don't like jailbreaking my phone, so that's why I have 2 other phones right next to me that I'll be using to make those jailbroken videos. Another thing that I'll be doing is making glitch videos on normal iPhone, normal like non-hack games like Injustice, Mortal Kombat, just like whatever game is like newest, like a really hot game that's out. There it is. What I was saying though is like when a really good game comes out, I'll try to find some glitches for you guys. Maybe get an edge up on your friends. So here it says that the passcode is 90907. All right. Well, let's go test. All right. So now we're back and into the iPhone, and let me just show you that the passcode did work, which was 0907. So we're gonna head on our general restrictions. Should be right there, 0907. And as you can see, it does work. We can change anything that we would like in the restrictions. So yeah, websites works, everything works. So that's that aspect. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and just so you know, I remind you, I'm going to be making videos on glitches, hacks, or any type of like GBA, jailbreaks, iFile, cool stuff that you can do on that. So please show me some support and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.